We all use sponges. Today we're going to share some sponge hacks of other useful ways to use them in your home. Place sponges in the bottom of your refrigerator baskets to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and help them last longer. The sponges will soak up any unwanted water or other moisture. Use sponges when shoveling, sweeping, or raking. Wrap a sponge in 2 different places around the handle and hold it in place with a rubber band. Place your hands on the sponges and begin shoveling, raking, or sweeping. It'll protect your hands from getting blisters. Place the sponge between the wall and the hammer. Pull the nail out while protecting the wall with your sponge from the metal of the hammer. Use sponges as fabric softeners. In a container, add a half a cup of water and a half a cup of fabric softener. Mix together and add your sponges. Let them sit for a while to soak up the mixture. To use them, squeeze out the extra fabric softener back into the container, toss the sponge in the dryer with your wet clothes and turn the dryer on. When your load is dry, pull out your sponge and put it back in the fabric softener mixture because they're reusable. Make a travel jewelry case. If you have dangling earrings, simply poke them through the sponge. If you have studs, poke them through and place the back on to the earring on the back side of the sponge. Cut a slit with a razor or scissors and make a place for your rings. Put the sponge in a recycled gift tin or mint tin and you're ready for travel. Help your plant retain water and moisture by placing a sponge in the bottom of the flower pot first. Place your plant on top of the sponge and water as usual. The sponge will help retain the moisture that the plant needs, plus give it a little extra space at the bottom for the roots. To clean a fan, you'll need to cut slices along your sponge. This is to help the sponge fit between the rails on your fan. Use the sponge damp or dry and wiggle the sponge so it fits between the rails. Once it's in, slide it down. It's so easy and what a difference it makes. Is your sponge dirty? After cleaning a bunch of pots and pans, soak your sponge in a mixture of 2 cups of hot water and 1/4 cup salt overnight. The next morning, most of the stuff on the sponge will be gone. To disinfect your sponges on a regular basis, all you need to do is place them in the dishwasher, clean them with your dishes, and they'll come out disinfected. I hope this inspired you to think about sponges in a new way. Thanks for watching.